Hey guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to check the line type and carrier of phone numbers and if they are registered in the Do Not Call list using our bulk phone validator tool. If you are a business owner or the telemarketing industry and you want to make sure you're not calling invalid numbers and if you want to practice ethical outreach, watch until the end. Let's head to searchbug.com, go to Business Services, and then Bulk Phone Validator. On a spreadsheet, list down phone numbers you want to check, upload it here, and click Continue. We also accept files in text and CSV format. Next, you have to identify your columns and then click Continue. Next, you have to review your options. We're going to select the third one here, line type and carrier advanced plus DNC or TCP check. On the same page, you'll see the number of records on your list, how much it would cost, and estimated processing time, and then you can proceed to process your data. This service will let you know the phone numbers, current line type and carrier, porting information, SMS email, OCN or operating company number, location, state, and time zone. TCP check to see if the phone number been a part of TCP litigation in the past. DNC check to see if the phone number is registered on any state or federal DNC lists. And lastly, the DNC complainer check to see if the phone number has complained to the FTC in the past. These three are very important for businesses involved in telemarketing in order to stay compliant and avoid potential legal troubles. On your bulk dashboard, you'll see all your lists. You can download the results from here. There you go. You'll be notified via email with the download link once your file has finished processing and you're all done. It's important to note that phone validation is the best practice for effective communication and maintaining compliance, ultimately leading to better outcomes for your business. Thank you for watching.